Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Vegas Pro on Windows for pro level timelines, full guide step by step clearly. Download the Vegas Pro installer from the official website. Locate the downloaded file in your computer's downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to begin the installation process. If prompted by user account control, click Yes to allow the installer to run. Select your preferred installation language and click OK. Review the license agreement and select I accept the agreement, then click Next. Choose the installation destination. The default location is usually recommended, but you can select a custom folder if preferred. Click Next to proceed after selecting the installation location. Select the components you want to install. It's advisable to leave the default components checked for complete functionality. Click Next to continue with the installation. You may have the option to create shortcuts on your desktop or Start menu. Select your preference and click Next. Review your installation settings on the summary screen. Click Install to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take several minutes, depending on your system. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the installer. Locate the Vegas Pro icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Double-click the icon to launch the application. Follow any initial setup prompts to configure your preferences. You are now ready to explore Vegas Pro for professional level timelines. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the interface and features. Consider checking out tutorials or guides for best practices in video editing. Start creating and editing your projects with confidence. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.